Basel Drug Substance is located at Roche's headquarters in the heart of Basel. This is where we produce innovative products for clinical trials and our patients around the world. We do this with passion, knowledge, and our 3 technologies: antibody-drug conjugates, monoclonal antibodies, and single-use technology. These technologies enable us to bring our medicines to more patients around the world faster. We see our ever-changing environment as an opportunity to improve our capabilities and continuously evolve. We embrace digitalization and invest in the latest technology and training. We work together to adapt our working methods to our advanced processes. We know our products touch the lives of millions of people. That's why quality is the true measure of our success and is reflected in everything we do. We can only achieve all this and more thanks to our people. Their commitment is the foundation of our innovative organization. We are proud to be part of Basel Drug Substance and work every day to build a better future so we can spend more time with the people we love.